What's going on YouTube? It's your boy. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online fast. I'm going to share with you a website that you can earn the fastest money online. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm just going to lay it out to you. This is going to be packed with a lot of value. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say absolute welcome. Excited to have you here. Welcome to the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. I always want to know how far these videos travel, all right? And for my regulars, happy to have you here. And if you guys are looking for a way how to make some money online as well, don't forget to check out the first link in the description. You guys will have a 15-day challenge. It's 15 days. It's absolutely free. Put you to the test and see how well you can pass that 15-day challenge and get your business up and running. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away. And the website that I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online fast is schoolsolver.com. And this is for the people who are brilliant. Well, I'm not saying you're not brilliant, but this is for the people who are scholars, right? People who know how to answer questions. So you're going to get paid by answering questions. And this website, you can make a lot of money. And there's a lot of different subjects. So I'm going to dive into it and show you guys how it works. So this right here, as you can see, only for experts. So if you're an expert, this is where you want to go. If there's people who want to ask the community question, you could type in your question here. And all subjects are covered, right? Paid what you can afford. So this website, there's people all over the world, students, right? And they come on this website and they need to get a specific answer. They need help. So they come on here, they write how much they want to pay you so you can answer it. So if someone go on here and decide to ask a question, and if they are not getting answered, maybe because their question is too hard and they're paying a low minimal fee. So think about this as a helper website. So you can just go on here, you can click, there's like a quick little 38-second video.
This is Mike.
I don't know if you guys can hear this.
Mike is struggling to finish his project on time, and he's always stuck on a question he can't figure out. To get some help, Mike posts his question on School Solver. This is John. John is also a student. John is looking to make some extra cash, and he sees Mike's question on School Solver and answers it for him. This works out great because Mike gets his answer, and John makes some money. A week later, another student named Mark is struggling with the same question Mike had and finds it on School Solver. He buys John's answer, and John gets paid a second time. Schoolsolver.com. Post your questions and get paid for what you do.
There you go. So as you can see, you get paid, and this is highly recommended if you scroll down here, right? There's a lot of people putting great comments on here. And look at this guy right here, top earner, $6,270. So this is great if you have like part-time. So if you finish work and you would just want to hop on the computer just to get going. And as you can see down here, there's people who are available to chat. So I'm going to show you how it works. So answer a question, you could just click on where it says answer a question. So if you click on here, you will see how much people are paying. Now, this person right here is willing to pay $10 for a math question. So every single day, people are posting questions. So you just click on it, see exactly what type of question that they're looking for, right? Voting theory questions. This person right here is paying $30 for health questions. So there's like college students, there's like high school, there's all type of people, even people who's probably working right now and need a specific question. So they come on here and they post their question. So look, this person right here is willing to pay up to $100. So this is like a fast way how you can earn money. And it's just an easy way how you could just come on here every single day, look for the questions that are posted. And if you can answer them, you get paid. Now, hang on a second. Most of you probably be like, all right, so let's say I answer the question, how do I get paid? Great question. Now, you want to come over here and you want to click on where it says support and frequently asked questions. So the general question is, how does this site work? How much does this site cost? Are there any fees, right? So you could just scroll through here and you can see someone is, I know a lot of people will be asking, is this cheating? So let's click on that. We do not support cheating or plagiarism. So it's not cheating. It's just like if you are at school and you go home and your parents can't do your homework, well, you could come on here, you can get an answer, and they could pay it for you. So that's a good thing. So you come on here, answer questions, and get paid. And as you can see, people are making bank with it. So people are asking the question, how do I get paid? Is it possible to get paid to ask questions? It sure is, right? So it gives you all the details down here. And they do pay via PayPal. So if you want to get paid, you have to definitely sign up for a PayPal account. So that's how, right here, let me click on it. How do I get paid? When you find, all right, so how do you get paid? So when you find a question worth answering, add your answer to that question, right? This will notify the question author. And to access your answer, you will then have to pay for it. So the person have to pay for your answer before they even access it. So they'll get a notification say, oh, somebody actually answered it. So in order for them to get it, they would have to answer it. And some of you probably be like, what if the answer is not right? Hey, listen, they know because School Solver have a team of people that work and make sure that these answers are correct. So don't you think of trying to cheat around here and give people wrong answers to kind of get money or get your way out of it. But this is just a great website, how you guys can earn money every single day. And you can get paid just by referring or just by coming on here and answering questions. So this is, it's just a powerful way how you can just crush it, answer questions. And if, I don't know, if you want to ask question, you can ask question if you want. So this is how you ask question, but this is not what we're talking about in this video. We're talking about how to make money fast, how to get paid, how to get paid daily. So you can get paid daily using this method. And you could just make money just by doing this. So I hope this video helped. This is a brand new website that I decided to just shoot and let you guys know about it. So like, subscribe to this channel. And if you love what I'm doing, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, check out my #1 way of making money online. It's absolutely free. So all you got to do is just sign up. All right. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Peace.